in the stillness, where the tall pines grow down by the old creek, where the cold waters flow. A man sat watching, where the ripples spread wide, each one a question on an ever-turning tide. No two the same as the last one that passed. Each drop held a truth too fragile to last. They merged with the current, contradicting their own. Every thought that he carried dissolved to the bone. Row, row, row your boat with all your might upstream. Paddle harder, paddle faster through this winding dream. But the current keeps on turning and the water runs deep, and some truths were never meant for waking men to keep. He searched for the source through the bramble and the reeds, through the silence of the herons and the whispering of leaves. He found signs of a lake that he had never seen, just the ghost of still water where clear water had been. So not knowing what he sought, he forgot what to believe, and the war inside his head fell quiet like the eve. He surrendered to the river, let the current take the wheel, let it carry what was heavy, let it soften what was real. Row, row, row your boat with all your might upstream. Paddle harder, paddle faster through this winding dream. But the current keeps on turning and the water runs deep, and some truths were never meant for waking men to keep. And the waterfall came calling at the edge of the unknown. He thought about the drowning, but he chose to not be stoned. So he opened up his hands and let the cold air fill his chest, and decided that the falling was no different from the rest. Now the stream below looked just the same as before, same familiar water finding the same familiar shore. But a lightness had come over him like morning after rain. Not every question is a wound, and not every thought is pain. Some things are worth the sitting and the stillness and the thought, but most of what we carry is a battle better not fought. Live slow, love deep, let the river do its thing. Don't let love walk past you quiet like a bird that forgot to sing. Row, 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 row your boat gently, gently now. Life is but a dream, old friend. Life is but a dream.